Hi everyone, today I am going to teach you two basic Linux commands. The first command which I am going to teach you is du command. Du command basically displays the disk usage of current working directory. So let's see the example what this command gives the output to us. This command gives the total disk usage of this directory is 38,95,008 kilobytes. Let's move to the another directory so that we can explore this command a little bit more. I am going to my code directory, cd code, and then I am again running this command du. Here the total disk usage of this directory is 16 kilobytes. As you can see here, you can use three most important options with du, which is -h, -c and -a. Let's see the example with these options. The first is du-h. Du-h basically displays the output in a human readable unit. Here we can see my total disk usage of this directory is 16 kilobytes. Here K denotes in a human readable format. Here we can't able to determine whether our disk usage in KB or MB or GB. But here we can clearly know that my current working directory disk uses is 16 kilobytes. Let's move further to the another option which is -c. du-c du-c basically display the total amount of space used by current working directory, which is 16 kilobytes. Let's see du with -a option. Du-a option will display the folders as well as files usage in current working directory. As we can see here, cs-.txt is displayed here, but in the previous command we can't get any cs.txt file. Du-a is basically more used than other commands. Let's move further to the another command which is df. The df command basically displays the disk free usage. Let's see what output will get by running this command. I am getting these file systems here, but the most important line in this output is db/dev sda8. This is our mounted file system where our OS is running, which is /dev/sda8. The most important option is -h. So let's see what will get the output with -h option. -h option basically display the output in human readable format. Here as we can clearly read the output in GB, but here we can't get whether output in GB, MB or kilobytes. So this is our mounted file system and its size is 46 GB and I have used 32 GB of it, and the available size is 12 GB. That's all about this video, guys. If you watch this video till the end, don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe it for further videos.